Timrell. I'm here at LA Clinic with the best staff here, surgeons. I'm really excited today. I'm having the FUE surgery done. I've had what's called traction alopecia from years of pulling, extensions, and excessive combing of the hair. And today I'm able to free myself of that with new hair and a new life. So thank you. Thank you.
It looks awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to reinforce your temples, the thin areas. The left side has thinned out more than the right.
Yes.
So we're going to put a few extra grafts on the left side versus the right. Okay. And then once a year out, everything should grow. At about 6 months, you should have about 50% growth. Month 11 or 12, you should reach around 90–95%. And the additional 5% may take up to 14 to 16 months. But once all of this is filled in, it's going to look nice and homogeneous with the rest of the hair that you have.
You hear that?
I'm very happy with how things went so far. We have over 2,000 FUE grafts. So and your number of doubles and triples are actually over 70–75%.
Wow.
So today you should be receiving over, I want to say, 5,000 hairs from the 2,000 grafts that we were able to harvest using the FUE.
Okay, awesome.
So the recovery should be much easier for you almost overnight. All right. So the next phase is basically we're going to outline the areas we're going to go into, and we're going to reinforce your bilateral temples, and along with reinforce the hairline as well and make that nice and strong. Okay.
Thank you.
You got it.
Thank you.
Triple. Good afternoon. We have Timrell today. She's an awesome patient. We just finished doing over 2,000 FUE grafts for Timrell. And she came to us because she's actually concerned about her right and her left temples, which have thinned out throughout the years. And we're going to reinforce all of that for her today. We just finished the harvesting phase, and now we're going to work on the design and the areas we're going to focus into and reinforce her temples, her right and her left. We're all done with Timrell's procedure. We did over 2,000 FUE grafts for Timrell. We reinforced her temples, the right side and the left. She had more hair loss on the left temple due to traction alopecia. We did close to 1,200 grafts on the left temple, and then we did about a little bit over 800 or so on the right temple. Let me show you the mirror.
Okay.
I'll give you the mirror and let me show you what it looks like.
Drum roll.
Drum roll. Moment of truth.
Wow. Amazing.
Let me show you the back.
Whoa.
So this is what I mean. This is the hairline. The temple hairline. So we about 800 grafts just in that area.
Amazing.
Okay, all of these tiny punches should be healed. Okay, within the next few days, you'll be amazed how you come back tomorrow with the PRP that we also did. They should be healed pretty quickly. Okay, and let me show you this left temple as well. This is, we had a lot more work to do on this left side. Okay, so we did around 1,200 grafts on this left temple. This was affected more with the traction alopecia than the right side. Okay, overall you got over 4,000 or 5,000 hairs along with your 2,000 grafts. And your back should heal overnight almost. Okay. And, you know, we'll see you tomorrow for a follow-up. Make sure all the grafts are in place. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
I think it looks amazing. Oh, for the first time, I'm being offered. You've been awesome, Terrell.
Thank you so much.
So are you going to do a little solo for us?
Oh, no.
Huh? I forgot to mention she's an amazing singer. Not the best voice today. Okay.
Later, next time.
We won't put you on the spot.
Yeah.
Maybe in a year out when you come back,
yes.
show us the results.
Yes.
Sounds good?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for being your patient.
We went to junior high
Oh,
together.
that's right. But chances are, when we had the consultation, it turns out that me and Tamara, we both went to the same junior high and graduated a year apart. So we actually technically are classmates. Yes. Elliott Middle School,
Pasadena,
California, 91104. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Hi.
This is Tamara. She's back with us. She's visiting. She was in the neighborhood, so she decided to stop by. How's it going since your procedure 7 days ago?
Going really well.
It's going good.
I'm very, very happy with
That's
LA
awesome.
Hair Clinic. They're the best team.
Awesome, thank you.
I feel the recovery is going really good. And
did you have much pain the night of the procedure? How was your recovery the following day up to this point?
Not much pain that night because I had lovely medications that you guys supplied for. But gradually the pain went away.
Okay, on the pain scale, how bad was it out of a 10 being the worst?
I'd say the worst, maybe a 7.
A 7.
And that was just maybe one day.
Okay,
yeah.
All right. And how do you feel now?
I feel good.
You feel good?
I feel good.
Okay.
I feel great. The hair is growing back. The healing is very
You're healed
nice.
Tremendously, and
yes.
I want to say PRP has a lot to do with it as well.
Yes,
and your temples right now look amazing. They look full.
Yeah.
We shaved it down, but now you have temples versus before you didn't.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
You're doing a great job as far as taking care of them. Healed amazing. You can't even see the areas where we took the grafts out from. And within a week or two, the back is going to be completely concealed.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
I'm so happy
so
for
much.
you.
Thank you.
And go Huskies.
Yay, go Huskies.